Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. John and Morgan took the trip from Maryland to New Jersey to get the audio upgraded on his Road Glide. So he'd been to another shop, really good shop, and they did a good job on the bike, but it just wasn't loud enough for him, and he kept blowing one of the 6x9s in the back. So he decided to ship us up the bike. Then we did a NVS Audio Stage 3 high power on it. Then he just drove up with his wife to pick it up today, and they're on their way home with it now. He hung out with us for the day yesterday. We had lunch together, went over the bike. I had him play the bike for about an hour to make sure he was happy with, to make sure if he was going to have any issues, he would have the issue while he was here with us so we could address it. But he was happy with the tune. The bike came in with Arc Audio Moto 720 in the fairing, Arc Audio PSM DSP, Diamond Audio MP654 in the fairing. He had blown 2 sets of the Infinity Kappa 6x9s in the lids, so then they switched them over to a set of Cicada 6x9s. And there was no woofers in the bags. So we ended up going with NVS Audio Stage 3 high power. So we did Hertz 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the bags. We did a Sound Digital 1600.1. There was nothing wrong with the Arc Audio Moto, but we needed space for 2 amplifiers in the fairing, and the Arc wouldn't give us enough room to do that because the Arc is so big. So we pulled that out and did a Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4. We went with HKI Mini DSP just because I needed the extra output channels. All the wiring was perfect. There was nothing wrong with the wiring. Then we swapped out the Diamond Audio MP654s in the fairing for a set of Cicada CH. And the bike's loud, has plenty of mid bass. We rocked it out at a really high volume. We did the final tune with his phone and his playlist to make sure everything was right. His music's really aggressive. That's why he wiped out 3 sets of 6x9s, but we got it dialed in, and he's happy with it. We're happy with it. Check out what we did. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Got this beautiful Road Glide special up from Virginia to do an NVS Audio Stage 3 high power. He had a 4-speaker setup in it, really good equipment. He just wasn't happy with the output, and he wanted to upgrade. Super clean install. Arc Audio Moto. We need the real estate up here to be able to power the 8-inch woofers we're going to do in the saddlebag, so we're going to pull the Moto, not because it's a bad amplifier, but because it's large, and the bike doesn't have a tour pack, so we need to squeeze 2 amplifiers up here. So we're going to go to Sound Digital Evo X2, 800.4 and 1600.1. We're going to take out the Arc Moto. He went with some Diamond Audio in the fairings. We're going to change those to Cicada CHs. Want a little bit more output in the front. He has Cicada CM 6x9s in the lid with the MO75 horn, so we're going to leave those. We're just going to run more power to them. Then we're going to do Hertz 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the back of the bag. Doobie bass knob. So Chris got this one. He's going to knock it out real quick.
Kisses back from you. I'm taking all my kisses back from you. And every breath you held on to, I'm taking all my kisses back from you. Give me the hellos and goodbyes, and pack up every morning and good night. I want the sun roses and moons. I'm taking all my kisses back. I want my kisses back from you. you too, baby, baby. Oh, honey, oh, honey, yeah. Oh, baby, 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 baby. Oh, honey. Hey, John. Turn on that song. Don't it seem like I'm always there when it matters, but missing most of the other time, a terrible pattern. The rewards I see from working have made me an addict. There's way more people that want it than people that have it. I don't get it, I would hate to think I tricked them. They fall victim to my system.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. John and Morgan took the trip up from Maryland to get the audio upgraded on his Road Glide. Are you completely happy with the way it sounds?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Was it worth the trip?
Absolutely.
Every second.
Perfect. Thank you. She's bringing her Can-Am up next.